Hello everybody, welcome to this video. Today we're gonna make our own shoulder pad. Yeah, so let's get right into it. So first you're gonna go base plate or whatever you want, doesn't really matter. Then let it load, there we go. And now you're gonna find shoulder pad template. Gonna paste it in. And now you're gonna go to avatar and rig builder. And yeah, you don't have to do anything up here. My avatar. Now you'll have your own avatar here. And now, rig here. In this rig, you can see all this. So just take that, and that, if you have any of those. So yeah, just take your body color, pants, shirt, and if you had a hat and like backpack or something, yeah, you're gonna take that in your shoulder pad template. There you go. Oh my god. Okay. So now you can see this. And if you don't have like a hat on that doesn't like want to do that, then you can just go to head, face, and this face you're gonna drag down to shoulder pad, and then you're gonna go in head and put the face in head. Yeah. And that was basically it for this video. If you want to make or see me make more of these like tutorials and stuff, make sure to like and subscribe and join my Discord server. Wait, I don't even have one. When I make my Discord server, then make sure to join it. I'm gonna leave it in the description. And yeah, that was it for this video. See ya.